Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious sweet and sticky honey garlic chicken drumsticks recipe. The chicken is so flavorful, delicious, and easy to make. Let's get started. We're using chicken drumsticks for this recipe, and we're going to start by seasoning them with salt and black pepper. Then we're going to bake the chicken for 20 minutes in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. While the chicken is baking, we're going to make a delicious honey garlic sauce for it. Drizzle some olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add some minced onion and garlic. Then saute for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to add some red pepper flakes for a little heat. Add some soy sauce and honey. Mix everything together. Then we're going to make a celery by mixing some cornstarch and chicken broth together, then add to the sauce. This is going to help thicken the sauce very nicely. Cook this for about 30 seconds or until the sauce thickens just like this. Then after the chicken has baked for 20 minutes, we're going to take it out of the oven and transfer it into the honey garlic sauce. Move the chicken around to get coated in the honey garlic sauce. Then place the chicken into the oven to bake for 15 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After the chicken has baked for 15 minutes, we're going to take it out, then move it around to coat in the honey garlic sauce. Then place it back into the oven to bake for another 15 minutes. Here is the honey garlic chicken when it's all done baking. I broiled the chicken at the very last minute just to get the outside nice and darkened, but that's completely optional. The honey garlic chicken came out so flavorful. The sauce is very thick and sticky. You can serve the chicken over some sauteed rice. It is so delicious and it has amazing flavor. If you guys would like to try this honey garlic chicken recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.